Welcome to Foam University. Today we're going to talk about some common attic insulation problems. First off, high bills. Now we all know heat rises. So if your attic is under insulated or improperly insulated, that can be the biggest part of the house that's going to drive up your heating cost, especially if you live in a cold climate. Now, next thing to think about is if you have heat loss in your attic, what that can lead to in the wintertime, snow melt, that can ultimately lead to ice dams. Now, ice damming in themselves, not too much of a crazy thing. Obviously, there is a bit of a danger issue with ice dams, but ice dams can also lead to damage for your roof. So again, all that kind of stems back to heat loss through your attic. So if you're having ice dams, again, one thing to be conscious of is that can potentially cause damage to the roof itself, pulling up shingles, added weight, different kinds of things like that. Now, another problem is uncomfortable rooms. So a lot of us have that second story house or the upstairs bedroom that's just hot all summer long. Why is that? Well, that hot sun is going down and it's baking the attic space. And that room that's right around or right under the attic naturally is going to get hotter. And we all have that room that we just stay out of because it's too hot or too cold. If it's upstairs, could be coming from an uninsulated or poorly insulated attic. So again, all these issues could stem from that problem. If you're experiencing these, you might want to check out that attic space. Hope you found this information helpful. Hope we were able to clear up some confusion if you're having these issues. Be sure to leave us a comment. Tell us about some of the problems that you might be having on your upstairs level or your roof. Make sure you like the video and hit that bell so you get all the notifications. So if you really want to impress your friends with all that hot insulation knowledge, go check out our website, RetroFoamofMichigan.com. Check out our learning center. You will be amazed at all the information and your friends will be impressed.